Let me show you how I made this modern looking bench out of 6 2x4s that are 3 meters in length. All tools used I've put in the description below. With the 2x4s being 3 meters long, I decided 1.5 meters would be the perfect length for the bench, as this would mean just cutting 3 of the 2x4s in half. All measured up and ready to cut through the Mitre Saw. A normal saw would be fine, but this definitely speeds things up. Now all that was left to measure was for the legs. I needed 8 at 50 centimeters and then 10 at 40.5 centimeters. These ones were shorter as the 2x4s would go above, making them add up to 50 centimeters. So here's me cutting through all of them. And all measurements I do have below in the description. I also measured and cut 4 spacers, which were 10 centimeters in length. With everything now cut to size, it was just a matter of sanding, mainly focusing on the ends to make sure there are no rough edges. Then it was time to stain the wood, and for that I like to use a Scotch Pad, mainly because I feel like when you rub in the stain, this gives it a light sand as you go. So here's me staining all the edges, as that's the only thing that will be on show. I only use this dark stain on the legs that are 50 centimeters in length. And I absolutely love how this wood grain came out. I then used a lighter stain for everything else. Four of the legs needed the front staining, as these will be on show when it's all fitted together. And here's everything all stained and ready to be assembled. I used 2 scrap pieces of wood to lay this down on, as I wanted to make sure everything was flat and level as I assembled the bench. As you can see, I measured out the centre. This is to make sure the space went perfectly in the middle. Using a speed square to ensure everything was perfectly straight was the most important part, as everything else would then line up to this. I checked this multiple times whilst I screwed this leg in. Then it was just a matter of repeating the process on the opposite side. Now with everything in place, it was just a matter of aligning up to what was below. So here's me building the bench up level by level. All assembled and together.